Ever feel like you need something to provide an extra layer of security online, but you're hesitant to commit without trying it out first? NordVPN has entered the chat. In today's NordVPN free trial tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to get this app's cyber protection without spending a penny. First things first, in order to access the NordVPN free trial, you do need to sign up on an Android device that has the Google Play Store. Keep in mind, this is only for the sign-up process. Once that's all done, you're free to use NordVPN free of charge on whichever devices support the app. Now, today I'm going to show you how to get NordVPN free trial on an Android, but all of the devices I mentioned earlier will essentially follow these same steps as well. All right, step 1, go to the Google Play Store and download the NordVPN app. After it's installed, you'll want to create a new account and select the 7-day free trial option. The final step is to enter your payment method. Now remember, you just need to enter it so it's on file. However, once you start your NordVPN free trial, 7 days will pass until you're charged. Even if this period passes, there's still a 30-day money-back guarantee, so no sweat. And there you go. That's how to get NordVPN free trial. See? I told you it was easy. Now that the sign-up process is over, you can enjoy the app on any device you want. Whether you've got a PC, iOS, smart TV, or whatever, NordVPN lets you connect 10 devices simultaneously. One thing I really appreciate about the NordVPN free plan is that it doesn't matter whether you cancel on the first day, last day, or any time in between. You'll get to enjoy the app for the full week. So, how do you go about canceling the renewal before it charges you the premium price? It's actually pretty straightforward. First, you'll want to log into your account, then find the billing tab on the left side. Once you've clicked that, navigate to subscriptions, then press on the cancel button where it says auto-renewal. Finally, hit that cancel auto-renewal tab one more time, and you're all set. You can also do this on mobile apps for Android. You'll want to log into your Google Play Store account and click on the profile icon in the right corner. Then go to Payments and Subscriptions, tap Subscriptions, and choose the NordVPN app. Now all that's left to do is press Cancel Subscription, list the reason, hit Continue, and you're done. If you're an iOS user, then head over to Settings on your phone and push the profile icon. Navigate to Subscriptions, press NordVPN, and tap Cancel Subscription. Now I'm going to warn you guys and gals who might try to find the free trial loophole. This can only be done once. So even if you've tested NordVPN a year or two ago, you cannot do the trial again and will be instantly charged at the checkout. With that said, if after 7 days you do want to upgrade to the premium plan, I've got a discount in the description and a QR code on screen that'll make those prices a little more to your liking. The coupon is regularly updated too, so feel free to save this video and come back to the discount when you're ready to use it. Okay, so there is actually another alternative way to get a NordVPN trial, and that's with their 30-day money-back guarantee. You also don't need to sign up on an Android device with this option. Anything that supports the NordVPN app will do. Now, this isn't technically a free VPN method, as you will need to sign up for the subscription and then cancel the service before the month is up to receive your full refund. This is one of the best free VPN options on the market, so it's worth the extra step. To get your hands on a subscription, click the link in the description to see the best pricing. Next, pick the plan that best suits your needs. Remember, you're going to get a full refund in the end anyway, so I suggest going for the top premium tier. As before, you'll want to make an account and choose the payment method. Once the transaction is complete, your account is ready and also eligible for the 30-day money-back guarantee. To get your refund, you'll simply need to contact NordVPN support. If at the end of the month you do end up liking the app, I suggest following through with the cancellation and refund and then using our exclusive NordVPN coupon code to get yourself the best possible price. Getting to use the app for a full month definitely helps you decide if it's the best VPN for your personal needs. Okay, so there is actually one more way to get yourself this best free VPN, and that's through the referral program. It essentially works like this. Your NordVPN subscription will be extended for 3 months for every friend who uses your referral link to sign up as well. The more friends you refer, the more rewards you'll earn. I mean, heck, you could even have a free lifetime subscription to NordVPN, if you have enough friends, that is. Keep in mind, when someone signs up for an annual plan with a referral link, they'll also instantly receive 3 extra months free, or 1 extra month with the monthly tier. Even if either of you decide to cancel the service, those free months will still be there for you to enjoy. This definitely increases the overall price to value, making NordVPN one of the best VPN 2024 options. Before we wrap this tutorial up, let's do a 60-second NordVPN review so you can get an idea of what features and benefits this app will bring you. The app you Obfuscated servers are an excellent way to bypass some VPN restrictions by hiding the fact that you're using a VPN at all. The kill switch feature ensures you're only connected to your network while you're protected, and split tunneling lets you choose which specific apps and sites you'd like the VPN to be routed through. Now, the MeshNet feature is a great way to create a secure connection between you and your friend's devices. And one of the really valuable features is threat protection, which blocks malicious websites, ads, trackers, and dangerous files. In addition to being one of the best VPN 2024 candidates, NordVPN also has some of the fastest speeds on the market. It works with most major streaming services to unlock access to tons of new content. And with their fleet of over 6,400 RAM-only servers in 111 countries, you'll have plenty of options to choose from. Plus, their no-logs policy has been audited several times, so you know user privacy is a priority. If you'd like to learn more tips and tricks about VPNs, then be sure to like and subscribe. Since it's completely risk-free, I highly recommend trying out NordVPN for yourself. We do have a special summer deal going on at the moment, which adds additional months to your package once you sign up. Just use our exclusive link below to claim it. Let me know if you've heard how to get NordVPN for free in any of these ways before, or if you have any tips for me, be sure to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for hanging out, and I will see you in the next video.